Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Python 3.11.1 on Windows 10 or 11. So just open any browser and search python.org. Now here click on downloads. So once you hover on downloads, here is the option Python 3.11.1, its latest version. Just select it. Now wait for a few seconds. It's about 24 MB. Now double click on this .exe file. Now here check this box, add python.exe to path, then select customize installation and select these all options. Then click on next. Now here select install Python for all users, then click on install. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now wait for a few seconds till this installing process will be complete. And once you see setup was successful, exit and restart your system. Now to check your Python is successfully installed, open CMD, right click and run as administrator. So type here Python dash version and press enter. So here we will see here Python 3.11.1 is successfully installed. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel. So this is the basic way to learn how to download and install Python latest version in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.